Hi, welcome to Coding Monday. This is Vishnu Agrawal and today I am going to show you how you can use EV3 robot to build a door security alarm. So this is the model what I have built which can be used as a door security alarm, in which I have used one ultrasonic sensor and one medium motor. So let's see the working of this model and how you can use this kind of security gadgets at your home. So as you saw in the video, when someone is trying to open the door, the alarm gets activated and motor starts rotating. So basically the distance measured by the ultrasonic decreases, then the alarm and motor gets activated. So if I put my hand, then the alarm and motor gets activated and you will get to know that someone is entering inside your room. So I am not sharing the solution for the security gadget in this video. You have to come up with your own new ideas for the security gadgets, like how I made a security gadget alarm. So do share your new ideas and new security gadgets what you are going to make at your home. So thanks for watching this video. I'll come with a new idea and new concept next week. Till then, bye bye.